women, they can openly speak, so especially if they do maybe all the police. Even though that's what they have every right to privacy. So when I need help desk, even go
So I just want to know, because for me,
and then and then also agroecology gardening if interested gardening for food security, even though it's not but the workshop so that at least the little hana space or a garden motlhomong ka merogo e tlebe a e godisitse from thuto e a e kry-ile morona o kgona go rekisa mazambanenyana di spinach. So those are the empowering programs tse leng gore na le bona re provide employment for bona as the sisterhood advocates, and then there are also the trainings in place that the agroecology. We are not accredited or training, so we have partners to call them and say, okay, re na le basadi ba 50 kilo ne re kopa le tlo ba trainer mo dilong tsa garden, or maybe ba nyaka another